The Maverick officially wishes Jamaican speedster Elaine Thompson-Herah congratulations on winning the prestigious Laureus World Sports Award for her sports performances in 2021. She becomes the first Jamaican woman and only the second Jamaican after the great Usain Bolt to win this internationally renowned award. And yes, give us some more of that acceptance speech from Elaine.
I want to thank the Laureus Sports Academy for this beautiful award. And I want to thank also the nominees from all different sports with all their fantastic talent. You know, reflecting on last year based on my achievement on the track, I am the second woman to do what I have done at the Olympics. To be the fastest woman alive, it's really an honor and a privilege. It is an honor to walk away with this trophy. And I just want to thank all my management team, my friends, my families, and also my fans across the world. Thank you.
Hear me, I beg Jamaica people now. Show some respect to Elaine Thompson-Herah. You all don't have to love her and adore her like you all love and adore Shelley or Asafa. But good God, put some respect on the name of the back-to-back Olympic sprint double champion, the fastest woman alive, and now the 2022 Laureus World Sports Award winner, Elaine Thompson-Herah. She earned it.